Hello friends, today in this video I will share you how to work on short command sentence recording task. Open the Google Drive folder I have shared with you and check the short command sentence task details and read the recording rules carefully. There will be total of 12 command words. These are the words: hey Chichi, hey Baba, hey Bolton, hey Soundfill, pause music, play music, previous song, next song, volume up, volume down, pick up, hang up. So these are the 12 words and you will get 12 recording page for them. Now when you open the recording page, you will have to read them 15 times on each page at a normal speed and separately. I will make it more clear when we go to the recording page. Now from here, just read all these instructions carefully, because when you are recording you must follow these rules and requirements strictly, otherwise the recording will be unqualified or rejected and you will have to redo or revise them again. So for recording environment, it should be or must be a fully quiet or noise free place where no other sounds except the participant's voice, and the recording place must not create any echo sound or repeat sound, and the recording rules are given below. You can read these rules carefully and understand them. Once you understand these rules, then you can message me. I will send your username and password, and you need to download the app from Google Play Store. This is the app. Search the app in Google Play Store with this keyword Funhan Data and you will find it. Then download and install the app in your phone from your phone Google Play Store. Now let's open the app on phone. Here is the app installed. Now open it from your phone. Use the given username and password for login to the app. I will use one of mine. After login to the app, you will see this home page. From here, you will see this project short command sentence normal speed. The project ID is 10,088. Click on this. You will enter the project home page. From here, just click start button. Here you need to select the accent, select the other accent English, this one, then select your gender, male or female, write your age, then write your name. Click this next page button. From the second page you will see the recording page. Here I already told you you will receive 12 word. So here is the first word, hey Chichi. You need to read this word 15 times once you click the recording button. After clicking the recording button, you need to read this word 15 times randomly, and be careful when you read the sentence 15 times. Make sure you put minimum 1 or 2 second gap between each time, so the words can be heard separately and individually. Here there is a sample given. You can check it to understand the reading process. Now let's start the recording. Hey TT, hey TT, hey TT, hey TT, hey TT. So like this you need to read 15 times. Though I didn't read 15 times, I just wanted to share the process. But make sure you read them 15 times, keeping 1 or 2 second gap between each of the times you read. Then click again the next page to get the next word. Next sentence or word is hey baba. Same process, you can check the sample. If not, you can start the recording directly and read 15 times. So there will be total 12 words. Just read 15 times each word and continue all the 12 words. At the 12 word page you will see this submission button. Just click upload and there will be a notification that the files are being uploaded. Once you see that the upload is successful, the app will take you to this page automatically. Then if you want to start with another person, you can just click the start button to start another recording. Now to check your submissions, simply click this My Task button. You will get all persons submission you have submitted so far here in this page. You will see a notification shows here which is passed or accepted, and for any reason if the recording is not qualified, you will see here refuse. So if you see any refusal or refuse sentence submissions, you just click on it and open it again. You will get the same recording pages like the new recording. So from here you will find the page numbers, and here at the right side you will get the report which page audio is unqualified. So simply you can jump to that page by clicking on the page number, and you re-record that pages or words and resubmit the audios so that we can review it again, and if it's good we will accept that submission again. So this is the process. If you face any problem, just feel free to ask me. I will try to solve it. Thank you.